I have previously raised in this chamber the impact increased employer national insurance contributions will have on GPs, dentists, pharmacies and care providers in my constituency of Eastleigh. I have also been contacted by many owners of small businesses who are hugely concerned about the impact changes to employer national insurance contributions will have on their businesses. This includes the early years sector, which plays a crucial role in supporting working families and the wider economy. Providers who operate on tight margins and with limited ability to adjust income face unique challenges. For a sector that is already under immense financial pressure, this added burden feels short-sighted and risks undermining the stability of a service that families rely on so heavily. Crestwood Preschool in my constituency serves local families by providing care and education for children aged 2 to 5. As a charity-run preschool, it is already stretched to its limits despite huge fundraising efforts. Claire, the manager of Crestwood, wrote to me explaining how the increased employer and national insurance contributions will add tens of thousands of pounds to their annual costs. These are funds they simply do not have. I've also heard from Forest Footsteps Childcare in Chalmers-Ford, another early years provider in my constituency. Erin, who opened the centre in 2022, is very worried about how she will manage these extra costs. She calculated that the new national insurance plans for employers' contributions, along with the rise in the national minimum wage, is going to cost her approximately £13,000 a year more. While she is showing remarkable resilience, she told me that some providers have been less fortunate and have already closed their doors. The YMCA Eastleigh Nursery and Community Centre have also shared their concerns. They have told me that the combined impact of these changes will cost the nursery and community centre an extra £95,000 a year. This is a problem being acutely felt across the whole sector. These stories are not unique. Across the country, nurseries, preschools and childminders are warning that rising employer national insurance contributions coupled with inadequate government funding will lead to higher fees for parents, reduction in staff pay and closures in these essential early years settings. This not only harms working families but risks deepening the staffing crisis in the sector. So what reassurances can the Minister give the early years and childcare providers in Eastleigh and across the country that they will not be adversely affected? Raising employer national insurance is a tax on jobs that will hurt small businesses and essential services. The government must reconsider its approach. The early years sector, primary care and small businesses are not staffed by people with the broadest shoulders.